Alright, so today I'll be doing a review of my Samsung 24 cubic feet Family Hub 2.0 refrigerator. I want to start off by saying this is actually a very nice unit. It comes in black stainless steel and the regular stainless steel option with the Family Hub 2.0, which you see right here, which is actually a pretty cool unit. Comes preloaded with a bunch of apps, as you can see here. The only option I don't like is that you can't add any of your own apps in this thing. If you could, that would be a pretty nice feature. But even with the apps that it comes loaded on with are pretty handy. You have your doorbell set up for Ring. I use a different brand, so mine's not set up on this. But you can use this if you have the Ring set up. You have your Pandora, the music, which is actually pretty nice. Let me see if I can get this opened up. The speaker on this thing is actually very nice. As you can hear this. Alright, I'm gonna pause this and go back out. The other cool feature with this is you can actually view inside the refrigerator on your mobile phone or any mobile device that you have connected to this. If you're out grocery shopping, you need to see what's inside your refrigerator. You open up the SmartThings app on your phone and go to your refrigerator, view inside, and it actually shows you an image of what's inside your refrigerator if you need to grab anything or not. As you can see, that's a photo of the inside of my refrigerator right now. The other pretty cool thing is that I have this set up with my Samsung TV and my Samsung washer and dryer. So every time, either my wife's doing the laundry and stuff like that, and she needs to see if the cycles are done, or if she needs to put them in the dryer. It's just gonna take a little bit to open up here. It actually shows you everything. It'll show you the washer, the dryer, what's completed, or how long the remaining time will be, which is actually a pretty nice feature. I think it just needs to connect. I'll come back to this one. Overall, it's actually a very nice unit. It does come preloaded with Bixby here, which I don't really use much, but you can set it up any way you like. You have the fridge manager here. Shows you what's going on, what the temperature is. You can see here the ice is full. Your filter's clean. Has a couple of special features. As twin cooling. It's energy efficient, which is pretty nice. So you have your fridge settings here. The ice maker, the dispenser's locked, unlocked. You can lock them here. Basically what it does, it just locks the water, the ice unit here. Your alarms, your temperature, your filter, energy saving, and it's actually got a self check. So if you're running into any issues, it can actually do a self check on it, and it will let you know. Okay, so I think it's not connected, so let's connect this to the internet. Oh, the other pretty cool feature is the Smart View. So whatever you have running on your TV or your phone, you can actually watch it on the refrigerator here, which I'll show you in a little bit once I get this connected. So we'll connect this to the net real quick and we'll come back. Okay, so we actually went ahead and connected this to the internet. For some reason it lost connection. It usually doesn't do that, but I don't know why. So we went ahead and connected it. I'm just gonna put up something that my kids were watching earlier. Okay, so as you can see, it's asking for permission on my TV here. Oh, okay. So it's asking for permission. Let me just go ahead and connect that again. So you go to Smart View, open, choose the item that you want, connect it to the TV. It's going to ask for permission on the TV again, which just did. And I authorize it, so here you go. I guess for some reason it's having issues with the connecting. Usually doesn't do that. Just like technology, when you need it to work, it never does. So there you go. So this is what's on the TV right now. I mean, it is a pretty nice feature that, you know. So I was actually able to control the TV with this. I just powered it off, as you can see. So now it's just running on this. It's not even on the TV. So that's a pretty cool feature. Let's see if I was able to connect to the washer and dryer, which I really like. You know, it makes life a whole lot easier. Okay. It should bring up everything now since it's finally able to connect. But I have my TV connected to the Smart Connect app, the washer dryer, and it shows the fridge as well. While that's connecting, let me just show you the inside, which is actually it's a 24 cubic feet, so it is pretty nice. It does have a lot of room in it, as you can see. So you have your Cool Select pantry, which has its own temperature settings. So I have it set at chilled. You have your vegetable, your fruit drawers. You have your trays here, which, you know, up and down. So it is a pretty, you know, pretty large fridge. And you have your freezer, which has a lot of room in it as well. You have your sliding tray, all that. Okay. For some odd reason, this thing won't show. Let's try what's going on here.